Nice coffee. About to get me an omelette and a couple Greek hot dogs here at the Coney Island Erie PA. There's some coffee specials.
Second around. Oh, no. You don't help them up then. You're very welcome.
Here's part of it. Oh my God, everybody, this is gonna be a great meal. Not even kidding. That's to top it off, but wait until you see what I'm about to get.
There's the rest of it.
Thank you. Oh my God, look at this. It is amazing. Coney Island Restaurant, Erie PA. Let's see if I can eat all this. If you haven't ever ate here, I think you need to try it. Coney Island Restaurant, Wesleyville, PA, Erie, PA. For some reason, I was extra hungry. This is an everything Western omelet. I am still working on it. I'm not even kidding. I'm extra hungry today. Still trying to wolf it down. Can I do it? Okay, I finished that big omelet. Now I'm gonna try to eat these. Let's see if I can get it done. As you can see, I already added the ketchup and the hot sauce to that one. In case I don't eat that one. That way it won't be soggy. I take it home. We'll find out. No better time than 4:20. These really taste good at 4:20.
You're going to get it.
Just got out of Concord, one of them. I ate the omelet, drank my coffee, I'm gonna try it. Still trying, I'm not lying. I did it. Coney Island Restaurant here in Westerville, PA, Erie, PA. Home of the Greek hot dog. Coney Island lunch. There you go, the carry out phone number. And there it is. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Get yourself a burger. That's all you need to know.